Hi kids! Thanks for visiting my channel. Today I'm just going to show you quickly how to make this beautiful little cat that I raccooned. Of course you can finish it any way you like. The first thing you're going to do is roll some 1/4-inch slabs. One large one for the body and a small one for the head. These you can see that I stuffed with newspaper to give them a little body. You want to be sure to tighten up the seams really well. Use a brayer, and you want to make sure that you don't have any cracks in the body or the head, of course. So next you're just going to attach the head using a score and slip, of course. And you see here how I just used my fingers to create the face of the cat. Just use my thumb to indent where the eyes are and make the nose and mouth. Roll some coils to create the arms and back legs, and again you're going to attach those by scoring and slipping. Also, the space between the head and the neck, you want to add a little extra clay to fill that in. And then you're going to use your trimming tools to shape it up and make it nice and smooth. Then I made the little mouse bodies. You see just a little teardrop shape and 2 more little teardrop shapes I used to make the ears. You just want to flatten those out a bit and use a little bitty coil for the tail. And once you have it all together, just poke a hole maybe in the bottom to make sure that it stays hollow, because you don't want it to explode in the bisque. Now, as you see here, I finished mine with a raccoon fire, but of course you can finish yours any way that you like. Thanks for watching. I hope it was inspiring.